Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can turn yourself into a baby on Bloxburg or even a toddler. So go to a wardrobe, select interact, and select customize character. You're going to go to this page and you're going to select the appearance here and you're going to change it from adult to baby. Then you're going to select back and you are now a baby on Bloxburg. You can't really do a lot. Like you can't cook, obviously. You'll need like an adult to take care of you. And it's very hard to jump, but you can like sleep here. And you'll get like this little like cot here as well. I don't know what it's called, but like you can do that and you just crawl around. Oh, you can also like swim in the bathtub. It's pretty cute. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.